Everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to increase the volume on your headset and the microphone on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump into the video right now. So if your microphone or your headset just isn't loud enough, there are some things you can go ahead and do on your PlayStation. So press the PlayStation button and open up the quick menu. And then go over to sound right here and select this. Now make sure you have the right headphones on for the output device. So I have my Stealth 700 Turtle Beach. Then right under that you have volume. You can slide this to the left or right to increase or decrease the volume. Then if you are currently in our party chat, you can go ahead and slide this to the left or right to increase the party chat sound or the game sound. So make sure your slider is adjusted accordingly. Otherwise, one or the other may be too soft or too loud. Now, if you are using the Pulse 3D headset on the PlayStation 5, you will have this EQ preset, the equalizer. Now, you can make a custom profile by just simply increasing the volume or the level for the decibels on bass, low, mid, high, treble. And this will increase the sound volume as well. Now, if we back out and go over to microphone, and we want to increase the sound of our microphone, if we go to adjust mic level, we can move this over past the good section to make it a little bit louder. So as you can see on my microphone, it's just about to the end. So I actually might want to bring this down a little bit so I don't pick up a lot of background noise. So just about right there seems good. And you can do this in the party chat too for specific people. If you go to your party chat and open it up and you go over the person's name and select it, there should be a volume knob where you can increase the sound of their voice or decrease it right under the screen. But since I selected myself, it doesn't show up. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, go and leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.